Hello everyone, Will here, back for another episode of Engines of Union Pacific. This is episode 9 on the GP38-2 and GP38N. Just to clarify, these videos can be a lot of work, and that's why I'm only making one per month, and so I can spread them out so I don't run out of units, so thank you for your patience. Let's get started. Railroads were looking for more powerful and reliable locomotives to replace their older Jeep or general purpose locomotives. EMD did just that with the production of the GP38s beginning in 1966 and ending in 1971 when the newer GP38-2 began production. They ended in 1986. Railroads all across America ordered both locomotives, and most have been all upgraded to the Dash 2 or upgraded further. Railroads such as CSX, UP, CP, NS, and BNSF, and many others still use these reliable locomotives on yard and local work today. Let's get on to the name. The GP stands for General Purpose, as the units can be used for local work and short mainline hauls. The 38 is for the model series, and the Dash 2 is for the Dash 2 upgraded model. Now, I'm not sure how many units UP has, but at least 700, as they acquired many of them from railroads that they bought out, such as Missouri Pacific, Rio Grande, and others. The prime mover is a EMD 645E 16-stroke prime mover that outputs 2,000 horsepower. With that 2,000 horsepower, they can produce 61,000 pounds of tractive effort and 54,000 pounds at 11 miles per hour. They are rated for a top speed of 65 miles an hour using DC traction motors. They weigh in at 250,000 pounds and hold 1,700 gallons of fuel. They are 59 feet 2 inches long, 10 feet 4 inches wide, and 15 feet 4 inches tall. For UP, the models are equipped with Nathan K3LA horns, and here's what they sound like. Now, most of these units are over 40 years old and beginning to show their age. Union Pacific is starting to pull some of these units from service and have them rebuilt into what they call GP38Ns. These changes include added onboard computers, replacing the horn and moving it to the rear of the unit, and other things as well. Most units have the prime mover rebuilt too. Fresh paint is applied to the units, as well as getting their wings on the front and adding the Gramway E-bell, which is an unfortunate thing to see, in my opinion. Well, thank you guys for watching another episode of Engines of Union Pacific. I hope you enjoyed this and learning about the GP38s. Thanks again. Union Pacific Omaha, out.